ladies. So I decided to do two-part video because it ended up being long. So this is part one, and I'm just going to go over the Boss Babe Business Binder worksheets so you guys can know what to expect when you make your purchase. After the warning page, this is the second page that comes up, and this is where you will click on the link and it will take you over to Google Sheets where you are able to edit and format your business income and expense report. So there are different headers for each section, and I made this file editable. So at the bottom of each header, you're able to put your website or anything that you want, a quote at the bottom. Okay, so my business monthly planner is where you would organize your business goals for the month. And so you are able to type directly into the file, or you are able to print it out and handwrite it in. And so at the top, you have the different months of the year, so you are able to circle it to signify which month you're in. You can type directly into the document, and then you can also click the checkbox as well to mark your task or your goals complete. One of the things it does show that it is off, is cut off at the top, but it will print out fine for you. I'm not sure why it does that, but I did test it out and it does print out fine without it being cut. The calendar sections are also blank as well, so that you are able to write in or type in the month and the year. I want you to be able to reuse this file, so I left it undated so that you are able to reuse it. There's a vendor section, so you can keep all of your vendors in one place. It's so easy for you to just look at your list to see what vendors that you have and their contact information. Having a vendors list will prevent you from accidentally deleting an email with your vendor's contact information or losing an order packing slip or something with their information. Having it on here makes it easier for you to reference every time you need it. Next, you have your inventory. So it is great practice to take inventory of your products on a monthly basis at least, so you can see exactly what you have on hand. So you are able to put your items in the quantity of those items right here on your inventory list. It also serves as a good check and balance tool, so you can see exactly what you had on hand in a particular month of the year. So it's very helpful for that as well. So the next is social media. I created a special section for those who have social media accounts. So you are able to keep everything in one area, such as your hashtags, any social media goals that you have for the month, and just things that you want to put on your checklist to take care of on a month-to-month basis. And next you have your social media content calendar. So you can plan out the types of content you want to have for your social media. So part two, we'll go over the finance section. So recipes are for those who have special formulas and things like that for their business products. So if you have lip gloss, or if you have body butters, anything that you have a specific recipe for, I created a section so that you can put all of your recipes in one area. Brain dump is also where you can put all of your ideas for your business, anything that you don't want to forget. You can put it in one area so you can always reference it in this one specific space. This is optional. I didn't want to not include the goals section. It is similar to the monthly calendar section. So if you wanted to have a specific area for your goals, you are able to put it in here as opposed to the calendar. And the last slide, the last file, is the important file cover. And this is where you are able to put your EIN number, your tax exempt certificates, anything that you reference on the daily basis or frequently. you are able to put it in here. So that is it. That is the quick overview of the Boss Babe Business Binder worksheets. And so I know that this is going to be so beneficial for you in your business. It's going to keep you organized. It's going to make sure that you are on top of everything that you need to take care of for your business. And so go ahead and watch part 2. It's going to go over the Excel file under Google Sheets, and it's also going to show you how I created the labels and the dividers so that I can quickly access all of these sections in my binder. So if you want to get your hands on this, go ahead and click on the link below. It'll take you to my website where you're able to make your purchase.